One of the first things you see when you're walking a production line at Boeing is these giant autoclaves as big as football fields. Just the scale and the magnitude and how hard it is to build an airplane. OATMEAL helps solve these problems by reducing the need for expensive capital equipment like autoclaves, giant freezers. Instead is a more modern manufacturing approach using much simpler equipment.
OATMEAL is designed to be sub-melt, which lowers the processing temperature, reduces the defects, streamlines tooling, streamlines manufacturing. It really just opens up a operations framework that's not possible with existing material systems.
Composites are widely used in the aerospace industry to tailor the properties of the material to the structural loads that are experienced by the system. Joseph was exposed to the aerospace industry early on through an internship at Boeing and through research he did as an undergrad. And this allowed him to see a challenge with the way that composites are processed. And he came up with a new class of materials that can be manufactured at 5x less time than traditional processing techniques require.
It's the best of both worlds. Here in Austin, I get to learn from world experts on the computational side, and really hone in my skills on modeling and my capability to attack hard problems. On the NASA side, I'm exposed to world leaders in experimental side and real problems.
His real growth during this has been navigating the NASA ecosystem and learning how to get work done at a NASA center. He interfaces so well with all different types of people. He works well with technicians and researchers and scientists and professors.
Digitizing composite manufacturing means that we're able to certify parts on the fly while they're being manufactured, completely reducing cycle times and from start to finish of a part. At the same time, it makes your part safer so that when you're flying from point A to point B, you can kind of give you more peace of mind knowing that a lot of hard work has been put into engineering excellence of your airplane.
From the perspective of an outsider to the field, this is revolutionary, and this has huge impact and huge potential transformative impact on aerospace, on speeding up the processing of composites in aerospace, on building and deploying structures in space. And it all comes out of Joseph's drive and initiative and entrepreneurial capabilities.
I'm excited to take OATMEAL and transition it to companies who can solve big, hard problems. And my goal is to see really cool things made out of OATMEAL and to solve the problem we sought out to solve, which is the energy-intense, slow process that is composite manufacturing.